पंच ते झेडपी मेरेन सगळ्यांचो पगार 50% वाडपाचो आसा। प्रस्ताव कॅबिनेटा मुखार रोखडोच येतलो म्हूण पंचायत मंत्री माविन सांगता। पंचायत संचालनालय डिसेंबरात पणजे पाट्यार मायल्स हाय बिल्डिंगेत शिफ्ट जाता। माविनान पत्रकारांक घेवन नवे सुवातेची भोंवडी केली। पंचायत खाते स्वताचो टेक्निकल सेलूय करता। हो सेल केलो काय कामांचे एस्टिमेट खातेच क्लियर करतले। पीडब्ल्यूडीत फायली आडकुच्यो नात।
Sarpanches of the different village panchayat, deputy sarpanches, Zilla Parishad chairperson, deputy chairperson, as well as the Zilla Parishad members, we have hiked the salary by 50%. So it will be made effective after the coming cabinet meeting. So even this has been done.
मायल्साचे तिसरे, चौथे, पांचवे आनी सव्या मजल्यार पंचायत खात्याचो कारभार चलतलो। हे सुवातीचे म्हयन्याक 9 लाख भाडे।
I just wanted you all to take a tour of the new place what we are going to shift into before end of December. We are going to in fact try to shift as soon as possible. For a long time the panchayat directorate of panchayat was waiting, we'll get a new place. It was not happening. Finally the Honorable Chief Minister consented. He was kind enough to allow us to shift to this place. Now the thing is, the old premises that was there was not only congested, there was no place even for the staff to move around.
पंचायतींची कामां बेगोबेग चालीक लागची म्हूण खातें स्वताचो टेक्निकल सेल करता। सध्या खंय पंचायतींच्यो फायली पीडब्ल्यूडीत आडकतात।
Funds used to remain unutilized. What was the procedure? To give one example, to prepare estimate, go to PWD. Files used to never come back. Then the blame game between the directorate and the sarpanches or the panchayat. Now we have planned to have our own technical cell. We have planned to have our own vigilance department, so that we don't depend on other departments. In fact, we are trying to be self-sufficient in terms of functional autonomy to achieve the desired result and to have all-round and fast development. Now, if we are having this technical cell so that we prepare the estimates fast, and whatever proposals come from the panchayat, we want to clear it as fast as possible and allow them to do the work in the panchayat.
इलेक्शन लागीं येता तशें पंचायत खात्यातूय हालचाली सुरू जाल्यात। माविन खंय रोखडोच सगळ्या पंचायतींची भोंवडी करपाचो आसा।
In fact, I wanted to start my tour much earlier. I did not start because simple thing, we did not have village panchayat secretaries. There was a shortage. Now we are in the process of recruiting. Moment that is over, I will start, because the minimum they will ask, we don't want a full-time secretary, and this was not possible because we did not have the staff. I think both the things more or less I will try to coordinate and synchronize in such a way. We move to the new premise, we move to the villages, we move to the panchayats. You will find a new awakening in the working of the panchayats.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठी। आता पळोवया गोंयच्या बाकीच्या वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो।
इंडियन मेडिकल असोसिएशनाचे मडगांव फाट्यान मडगांवां ऑर्गन डोनेशन सेमिनार दवरिल्लो।
If you see, India is a vast country. The literacy level is not very high. These programs have been newly started. In India also there is a vast variation. If you see the smaller states like Pondicherry and Chandigarh, the cadaveric donations are in double digits. That is around 10 per million population. But if you go to vast states like Uttar Pradesh, there is not even 0.1% donation per million. So we have to see why this is happening. The reasons which I come across, our country is very vast. One rule which is there for one state may not be applicable for another state. We have to make tailor-made customs or tailor-made decisions for each state. Then we follow different religions, different castes. Each religion and caste has got its own conceptions with respect to what has to be done for the organs. We believe in next birth. And because we believe in next birth, we want to keep all the organs intact for the next birth. Which, how far it is true, nobody knows. Then our literacy rate is very low. I'm not talking about the metros. When you see India as general, the literacy rate is low. And we have a family structure, which is a huge family structure. So in such family structure, what happens? There is no one person who can make a decision. So decision making is very vital when it comes to cadaveric donations.
वाळपयची पार्किंग ट्रॅफिक व्यवस्था जाग्यार घालूंक नगरपालिकेन ड्राफ्ट प्लान केला। प्लान लोकांक 25 ऑक्टोबर मेरेन पळोवंक आनी सुचोवंक उक्त आसतलो.
So we'll just give 1 month timing for this public grievances. Maybe by 25th October will be the last date, and after that our process will be started. This otherwise, if suppose no issues or no problems from the public or shopkeepers, directly we are going to initiate this plan. Otherwise, some problems arises, we are going to make some changes. We just want some changes because if suppose some problem was there for the shopkeepers and all, they can come and tell us so that we can make necessary changes right now before we activate this plan. So 1 month timing will be given and the thing will be processed out later.
फोंडेच्या सदर भौशीक गणेशोत्सव मंडळा वतीन भोवमान सुवाळो जालो. समाजीक वावरा खातीर विनोद पोखरेचो गौरव जालो. सुवाळ्याक PWD मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकार, फोंडेचो आमदार रवी नायक, खासदार नरेंद्र सावयकार आशिल्ले.
आम्ही NSS स्टुडंट आशिल्ले आंबेडकर लागले आणि निवड करपाक आमकां हाडटा. पूण एक मनशाची भावना जाता आनी मनशाक जी भावना जाता तीच मनीस मुखार घेवन वता आनी त्या वेळार ती भावना आमी येताले. ती भावना आज पसून मनात आसा. म्हणजे 47 वर्सां सदर गणपती येवचे आनी थंय जर आयलो ना जाल्यार चूक जातली अशें म्हाका दिसता.
आमचे जे आसा एकी आमी जर देश परिवर्तन जाल्यार कितें आमी गणेश सगळे जाती धर्माचे लोक एकठांय येतात पण ते आमी देशाचें परिवर्तन जाय. जे 55% ते 50% अजून अनपढ लोक आसात तांकां साक्षरता करपाक जाय. तांची लिटरसी आमी वाडोवपाक जाय देशाची, जाल्यार देश ग्रो येतलो.
ह्या मंडळांचो उद्देश सुद्धा वेगवेगळ्या परिस्थिती प्रमाण बदलत गेलो आमी सगळे जाण पळयतात. म्हणजे हांगासर जेन्ना विद्यार्थ्यांचो सत्कार जालो, जे विद्यार्थ्यांक बरी मार्क्स मेळिल्ले आसात त्यांचो सत्कार जालो. हे जेन्ना आमी पळयता ज्यांनी कोणी बरी बरी प्रायजां घेतिल्ली आसात त्यांचो सत्कार जालो, त्यांचो भोवमान जालो. हेचे कारणच अशें आसा की तातूंतल्यान खरें म्हणजे समाजा भितर प्रोत्साहन दिवपाचें, म्हणजे समाजाक एकठांय हाडपाचें काम जालेंच पूण त्याच बरोबर समाजाक फुडें प्रोत्साहन दिवपाचें काम जें आसा ही आतां हळूहळू गणेश मंडळांनी सुरवात केली आसा. ही एक बरी गजाल आसा.
मडगांवां रवींद्र भवनात राजस्थान ग्रामीण मेळा भरला. तो 7 ऑक्टोबर मेरेन आसतलो. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.